Looking for a powerful, ultralight drone that won't break the bank? Meet the Potensic Atom 2, a 4K beast with 8K photos, 3-axis gimbal, and a jaw-dropping 10-kilometer transmission range under 249 grams. But is it worth it? Let's find out. First, the Atom 2 is insanely portable, weighing less than 249 grams. So, no FAA registration in most countries. The 4K video is buttery smooth thanks to its 3-axis gimbal, and it even shoots 8K photos for ultra-sharp stills. 10-kilometer transmission means you won't lose signal, and AI tracking keeps you in the frame automatically. Vertical shooting. Yep, perfect for TikTok and Instagram Reels without cropping. For under $250, this might be the best budget drone. If you want one, check the link below. Smash like if this helped. Subscribe for more drone reviews and comment.